Welcome to Street Photography. For me, photography is mindfulness, a way to connect with yourself, your subject, and the world around you. Today I'm walking the streets of Goa, Arambol with my friend Aman, a brilliant street photographer. Together, we'll share not just tips and tricks, but also the essence of mindfulness, learning how presence can turn ordinary scenes into extraordinary frames. What's up, Aman?
Good, I'm good. How are you?
Very nice.
Varanasi is like one of the it's a heaven for people who are doing like street photography. Heaven for street photographers.
Absolutely.
Like very old heritage kind of place and energy-wise, it's like amazing. Yeah. Before I was doing just 2-3 hours of workshop and then some review sessions in Goa. But this Varanasi is my first workshop for 3 days.
I wanted to start this mindfulness through photography workshop.
Oh, nice.
Because I feel that every time you pick up the lens, it's actually a mindful journey.
Lens is attached to different kind of philosophies. Like if you are going for a prime lens, 85mm, then you are seeing the world in a different way. You are very close to people. But
Absolutely.
when you are picking this very wide lens, then you are seeing the world in totally different way. Then you are capturing a lot of energies.
I also feel that photography you can do even with yourself. I mean, I don't feel, I know.
Yeah, even without camera, you should practice photography every time. If you are just moving in the streets, you don't need camera every time. It's much photography is here.
Yeah.
It's the art of seeing now.
What about that? Huh?
Yeah, it's fine.
No?
Yeah, it's good.
With a chicken behind.
Yeah.
I was staying in Gokarna for 3.5 years. Then from that, why I decided Arambol is exactly for this.
Yeah.
Because it's a variety of everything.
Yeah. You can explore all shades of you, the darker shades if you want to, your shadows you want to explore, you can explore. If you want to explore some brighter sides, you can do that as well.
Absolutely.
Just go and explore them. Let's see how.
So that red and yellow, huh?
Yeah, these red and yellow
come.
chairs. Yeah. Never hesitate. Never give this hesitatious kind of energy while shooting in the street. Otherwise, they take it and then they might stay. Say okay, don't shoot me or something. Go up front.
Absolutely.
Have a little bit of smile and little bit of humor inside you while shooting in the street. Because then people feel it's more comfortable and it's that you're not harmful and you're kind of friendly person. That always try to give that friendly vibe while shooting in the street. Very nice. Chalo, आओ. Come. अरे हाथ नहीं लगाना दूर से. Okay. अरे ऐसे मत करो. Whenever I see this very strong, solid primary colors, it's very nice to shoot. Firstly, make your background work. Second, see if you find some very nice subject. This is number 2 layer. And number 3 thing is wait for that subject to respond or react in a way. Then it becomes more nice and more it's more impactful. And number 3 thing is you wait for some magical stuff, manifest sometimes, something happen in the frame. Then that makes the frame more powerful, more magical, and more when you go to some new place, spend 1 day without the camera. You understand the environment, you understand the feel of that place so that you don't get every time overwhelmed with new things. Then when you understand the environment exactly, then you start shooting. For example, if some new person comes to the beach, he will keep on shooting because he's so overwhelmed, with emotions. Firstly, you need time to settle your emotions so that you actually understand the place and energy and everything.
So don't you feel that photography is a practice of mindfulness in a way?
Yeah, it is. It's very meditative. Street photography is for me, it's very meditative in nature. Of course, it's mindfulness, it's meditation. The group of Indians were standing, group of Fonas are standing. That's a very nice subject to capture. It's a very nice subject. But the first layer that we talk about is background. Background was messy. Background was not nice. So when even your subject is very good, but your background is not nice, then it's not working. The image is not going to work. You can see this yellow and like very solid color.
Yes.
So it's always give me very nice, plain, clean background. That's why I always go to these kind of spaces. Hey, Baba. Sometimes like people will come like and say like why you are shooting. So don't get like offended because of course you are getting into their privacy and private place. You can just talk like you don't have to get offended about anything.
Absolutely.
And they even have the right to if
You
say
just
you can
take
delete
the
your
picture, and if you don't like it, you will delete it.
Yeah.
Big deal.
Like if you ask too much about to people, and then sometimes it's also like important to just keep shooting. If you ask and talk too much, then they might get like conscious. They will start acting according to the camera. So
Absolutely.
try doing it. This is the exact right side for like capturing the action.
Yeah.
And you can also like include this or maybe this in the frame, this yellow color, because it acts as like new layer as a foreground layer. So it will create more depth whenever you are shooting. So try to add as much as layers possible in the frame. Like there's a background layer, there's a main layer where action is taking place. Now there is foreground. If like this is now a very nice picture.
Yeah.
Now you can wait here for some time. Like if something more happens, some like maybe bird comes from somewhere, then it will be magical.
What do you think in this subject?
So yeah, of course, like nice clean background as sky and ocean, and then this red flag. This red flag is like very nice. How to say, like nice layer, giving a very nice layer and very nice color, solid color. And this lady sitting is like very meditative. It's going with the vibe. Like I then he's going to make my picture more interesting. I always love where action is taking place. Arey. So I always. We'll tell you later. Abhi shoot on Instagram pe baba. So now I'm just waiting for to come from somewhere. I hope we can see. So it's more of a fine art image.
Of course.
Like if you see the shapes and the shape of the legs and this cones are same.
Yeah.
And you see this yellow shape of this.
Wow.
So more of a fine art picture.
So how was today?
It was amazing, man. Very nice evening, very nice art talks.
Yeah. That's how life should be, no?
And very beautiful energy you carry around yourself. It's very like friendly, nice, happy. Yeah. Wise also. Thanks, man.
Yeah. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed walking the streets with us and seeing the world through our lens. Stay tuned for more journeys, more stories, and more moments frozen in time.